In the year 2020, construction began for the main building of St. Joseph's School in Pune, designed by Team Meta Arch. With a running legacy of more than 60 years, the school in the past has faced a number of issues that can be addressed by innovative design solutions. The architects put together prototypes of these creative ideas. Let's take a look at the sample mock-up classroom that we built. This is a 360-degree view of the proposed classroom. The classroom is a 7.5 meter by 9.5 meter space with windows on 2 sides and 2 entrance doors. We picked the traditional colors of the 2 main parts of the school, the student and the institution. Using this as the base, we created the material palette that brings a feeling of discipline and order, which are the core values of St. Joseph's School. The whites and grays have been used to subtly soften this in the ceiling and woodwork. The color punch on the acoustical panels, or call it the softboard, bring character to the space. The lighting has been carefully chosen to create an evenly diffused light penumbra at desk levels. Anyway, the desired lux levels are naturally achieved by the large window openings on both sides, thus reducing the dependency on artificial lighting. Let's look at the beige wall. The TV panel in the center is a smartboard by Senses. It is by far one of the leading-edge teaching tools that we have come across. It contains thousands of features, and more details about them can be obtained from their official website, www.senseselect.com. Further, the tiling on the wall acts as a writable canvas. This is a solid full-body vitrified tile. You can scribble with any kind of markers on the same. This enables reduction in the usage of chalks. Chalks have been known to cause dust allergies. The remaining walls are cladded with tiles that have a paint-like finish. This enhances the sustainability of wall surfaces. The colorful panels on the rear wall serve 2 purposes. They act as acoustical boards as well as pin-up boards. Let's take a look at the door design. The door frame is an elegant aluminum extrusion frame innovated by Meta Arch. It is free of any screws, can house wires, and is aesthetically pleasing. The concealed door closer allows the door to remain open without any stopper. On being pushed, the special hardware allows the door to close softly after an auto stop. This is the first step to prevent any finger jam accidents. The aim is to prevent accidents caused by hands of little children getting stuck. The second layer of protection is the finger guarding system at the edge of the door. The hinged side is protected with simple baby-proofing devices. This makes the door system absolutely safe. The ceiling is a special tech zone style modular metal ceiling. This allows us to visually conceal all the above ceiling surfaces and cabling. The individual panels have a fiber lining, thereby enhancing the acoustical comfort of the classroom. To sum up, every aspect of the classroom works towards enhancing the educational environmental support. From flooring to ceiling, Meta Arch has striven to explore sustainability through design. The design solution is a modern approach to achieving optimum spatial quality that the students deserve.